Okay, so you've got the door handle off. Now you're about to fit it, but you've noticed that the latch is all the way at the back. You've tried everything, you've tried loosening the torques, you've tried everything to basically get it back here so the handle connects, we just can't do it. Yeah, in the past I've spent ages trying to fit a door handle back on when I first started. And then one day I was on a job, customer was coming to collect it, and the door handle would just not go on. And I was like, right, okay. I was scratching my head. I looked down at my feet and I came up with an idea which works on more or less 90% of cars. When the latch is at the back, you've tried everything to get it to come forwards, the handle connects, but you just can't do it. So I looked at my shoes and I see my shoelace. So what I did is I took the shoelace off. A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll use a hook to try and pull the latch back. But then what happens is you try to connect the handle, but the hook's in the way. So I'm going to show you a trick. So you get your shoelace, you cut the end bits off like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get it to the back of the latch. You guys can thank me later. You might be there right now trying to put a handle back on and scratching your head thinking, oh, why have I taken this job on? So you've got this on now. What we're going to do, we're going to pull the latch slightly. This trick, by the way, works on more or less a lot of handles. Okay, so now we have got that connected. So now we've got that connected. We've got the handle now connected to the latch. The string's still there. Don't pull the string out just yet, because there's a chance the handle might just slip back out of the latch, right? So we've got this bit in now. Find the best place to pull the string out, right? And now we should be able to So this trick works on more or less all the cars. Ever since I started doing it, honestly, you could get a door handle back on in the space of a couple of minutes. Check that out. You can thank me later. So this trick, you could use it on any make and model, as long as there's a latch there where the handle needs to connect to. Make sure you use a shoelace, because that we can slide it out nicely without damaging anything.